Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers. Today, we are going to embark on an exciting journey to explore the fascinating world of trigonometric ratios. Imagine a right-angled triangle. We'll uncover the special relationships between its sides and angles, and discover how these concepts are used in the real world. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of triangles and the connections between their sides and angles. It's a powerful tool that has applications in various fields, from engineering and architecture to astronomy and navigation. In this video, we'll dive deep into the three main trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. Understanding trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are special mathematical relationships that exist between the sides and angles of a right triangle. These ratios provide a way to describe the properties of a triangle and can be used to solve a wide range of problems. Let's start by defining the three main trigonometric ratios. Sine. The sine ratio compares the length of the side opposite an angle to the length of the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the triangle. The formula for sine is cosine. The cosine ratio compares the length of the side adjacent to an angle to the length of the hypotenuse. The formula for cosine is tangent. The tangent ratio compares the length of the side opposite an angle to the length of the side adjacent to that angle. The formula for tangent is visualizing trigonometric ratios. To better understand these ratios, let's use some engaging animations and visuals. Imagine a right-angled triangle where we can see the sides and angles changing dynamically. As we adjust the angles, we'll observe how the lengths of the sides and the trigonometric ratios change in response. This is how you'll see how the sine, cosine, and tangent ratios are related to the specific sides of the triangle and how they vary as the angles change. Examples. Let's consider a real-world example. Suppose you want to find the height of a tree. You measure the distance from you to the base of the tree and find it to be 10 meters. You then measure the angle of elevation from your position to the top of the tree and find it to be 30 degrees. Using this information, you can find the height of the tree. Solution. Identify the right-angled triangle. The distance from you to the base of the tree is the adjacent side 10 meters. The height of the tree is the opposite side, which we need to find. The angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Use the tangent ratio. The formula for the tangent of an angle in a right-angled triangle is this. In this case, theta is 30 degrees, the opposite side is the height of the tree, and the adjacent side is 10 meters. Set up the equation. Solve for h. By solving this question, the answer will be 5.77 meters. Real-world applications. Trigonometric ratios are not just abstract mathematical concepts. They have numerous real-world applications that impact our daily lives. Engineers rely on these ratios to design and construct sturdy bridges, buildings, and other structures. Architects use trigonometry to plan the layout and dimensions of their designs, ensuring that the buildings they create are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Beyond the realm of engineering and architecture, trigonometric ratios are also essential in fields like astronomy, navigation, and even video game development. Astronomers use these ratios to measure the distances between celestial bodies and to understand the movements of the planets and stars. Remember, the key to mastering trigonometry is practice. The more you engage with these concepts and apply them to real-world scenarios, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. In this video, we've delved into the fascinating world of trigonometric ratios. We've learned about the three main ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent, and how they relate to the sides and angles of a right triangle. We've also explored the practical applications of these concepts in fields like engineering, architecture, and astronomy. As we wrap up, remember that trigonometry is a powerful tool that can help you understand the world around you in new and exciting ways. Keep exploring, practicing, and applying these concepts, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a math superstar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more engaging educational content. We'll see you in the next video.